Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we're checking out a beautiful 1974 Chevy Camaro. This is a beautiful car. Love the color. It's got ice cold vintage air. Beautiful blue with a lot of metallic. Just a really sharp car. And I love what they did in '74 with the Z28 stripes. Just really, really unique. Added a lot to the car. Beautiful engine compartment. This is the numbers matching, VIN numbers matching 350. So original to the car. It's got a 4-barrel carb. Vintage air, which blows ice cold. Nice set of headers, power steering, power brakes.
I mean, that's just the definition of clean.
Yeah, very clean. And it does have a brand new, freshly rebuilt, I should say, 3-speed automatic transmission. Came in, just wasn't shifting the way we liked it, so we sent it to Amaco and had the transmission all rebuilt. So that's a big plus. And I believe that transmission should be warranted through Amaco as well, but talk to your salesman, we can get you more information on that aspect. But hood lines up great. And again, maybe this will give you kind of a little shot of that blue metallic. Very pretty color. Hood fits awesome. One of the imperfections I noticed is a couple little chips, and it looks like that chip's almost in the clear coat right here. Front bumper is original, so you look at that, it does have some you can just see its age, I guess is the best way to describe it. A couple scuffs. Just a little bit duller, not quite as shiny as a new one would be. Same thing with these headlight surrounds. They're just an aluminum piece, and they're original. The grille looks excellent. The paint around the headlights and marker lights looks great. Got all your Z28 badges, front disc brakes. Get on your mirror here. I didn't notice that before, but
I mean, a guy could probably get a new one and paint match it too.
Oh, for sure. You don't even need it. You could just have that one.
Yeah, take it off and have it repainted.
Door fits excellent. Paint's got a great shine, really nice reflection. I'm here looking up and down the sides of it. And that corner of the door fits perfectly. Roof looks great. In this area, in these second-gen Camaros, often you'll see some stress cracks. This is the factory lead line where they leaded the roof with the quarter panel. This looks awesome. I don't see any issues here on this passenger side. Quarter's very nice and straight. Down behind this rear tire looks excellent as well. I don't see any bubbles or blisters or issues. Same thing in this dogleg area. Looks great. So you open up the door. They did a nice job in the jambs. Corner of the door, rust-free. Never had any work done. Rubbers are nice and pliable. Door panel looks good. We did also just have the front end aligned, just got it back the other day from that. So front end all aligned, transmission rebuilt. Seats are in awesome shape, really nice and soft. Back seats look excellent as well. So does the carpet. Rear door panels look good. Headliner nice and tight.
I mean, in my opinion, this is definitely one of the cars you can take to a car show and be proud of. And
yeah, absolutely. And with these, we've had a few of these 74s, but I love the look of this. It's got a great sound, good power and performance, and man, that color and the look on this car really sets it apart from the others. Back bumper, just like the front bumper, it's original, so not as shiny as a new one would be. Just a little bit faded there. Trunk lid fits good. And hopefully this car, and I hope it comes through as nice on the video as it looks in person with that.
Yeah, for sure. It'd be
little paint chip there.
I mean, so far there's really only been just those two little nicks.
Yeah, a couple of things, but good looking car. Door fits great here on the driver's side as well. Super solid corner of the door. Roof on the driver's side looks good. Here's what I was talking about, just a small little paint crack right there on that lead line, very small. Couple little chips from getting in and out on that door jamb. Driver's seat looks great. It's got tilt wheel, which is another plus. Dash pad looks good. Awesome. Let's drive her.
Should we look at the trunk quick?
Sure. Yeah, pop it open. Trunk looks nice. Nicely spackled. Looks like it does have air shocks. There's your chuck for the air shocks. So with those air shocks, if you want to have it sit up a little bit more in the ass end, you can definitely do that. Starts really easy. That 350 runs nice, and again, that is the numbers matching motor. Tachometer works here. That's something we've pulled the dash out, went through, got the tach all hooked up, so that works great now. You have vintage air, so your controls are over here on this side for that. The wipers work, they're parked correctly. Somebody did put an old Pioneer radio in it, probably from the 80s, maybe 90s.
But it's got the right, you could definitely put a newer radio in there.
That's probably what I would do if it was my car, is that's one of the only things I'd change, is I'd put maybe a newer radio in there, but also you could always keep the old school one too. But temp gauge works, that's coming up. Oil pressure. Carries really good oil pressure, revs up to 75 pounds. At an idle here, it's about 50. Gas gauge works, we got that just under full. Your temp gauge was it still has the one on the dash, but they relocated it to one right here so you can tell kind of exactly what you're reading for temp. Tilt wheel works good, the horn works.
The dash was just done beautifully.
Yeah,
there's no
beautiful
chips.
Now the wood grain here is original, so you can see a little wear here, like around where the cigarette lighter spot would be and the wiper spot. But overall, just a really nice local car show, driver condition car with cold air, numbers matching, 350, great look, really nice sound and dual exhaust. Here's your power brakes. Stop great. No pull left or right on the wheel. And your turn signal indicators in the dash work as well on both sides. Amaco did a great job on the transmission. Shifts nice first, second, and third gear. Speedometer works. Goes down the road awesome. Front end feels great. Roll our windows up. brakes a little higher speed. Stop nice. That air is blowing ice cold.
It is. Feels good right now, honestly.
Wait for traffic and then we'll take off. Drives great. Just a sweet car. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.